Hello, it's Kay in front of the camera this time, all on my own, and I'm going to show you how we're going to put together one of our 12 scale standalone little scenes. So this one is the bookcase with feet, and it's 12 scale, and this one here has been decorated by Faye, who's done a fantastic epoxy bookcase and shelving unit. Okay, so that's Faye's, and then there's another gorgeous one here done by our Jenny, and she's used some plants with a black and white check flooring as well. So that's another gorgeous one then done by Jenny. Okay, and I'm just going to show you how to put together. Quite simple to put together. So you get a sheet of bits which are tabbed in, so you untab them. So you get your base, which is your shell of your bookcase. You get your shelves that go in your bookcase. You get some feet at the bottom for your feet for your bookcase, and you have the choice of two tops. You can have like a sunrise one, sunburst one, or just a plain one in here, and you can put the top bit either at the front of your bookcase or at the back of your bookcase, entirely up to you. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put this one together first. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put glue on all the inny bits, like so. But the most time consuming part of this is putting the glue on. So I'm using our CoolKatzCraft bookbinding glue because it's a good quality PVA glue, and it's certainly strong enough for doing our MDF. So I'll put glue on these bits, and I'm also going to put a bit of tape on here so I can put it together when I start sticking it. So oops, put it the right way around. I'll put that one there, and lay that one flat. Okay, so that's ready for that, and then I'm going to glue these together, and as they're both the same, I'm going to put glue on at the same time. So I'll put on the inner bits on here, and these bits. So you don't need that much glue. On each side, and again, same for the bottom, and they're the same as well. So put a bit of glue on the inny bits. Right, so. Okay, and then start putting it together. Okay, and then put your tape on just to keep things in place. Just manipulate it so it all fits in nicely. Oops, that's easy to do that as well. Pull the tape out. And the final piece in, and that is the base, your box of your bookcase. That's quite simple to do like that. Okay, and then we're going to put our shelves in. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on these bits and on the side pieces. Like so. And then just slot those in. Like I say, these aren't difficult to put together, but they can make some really pretty little scenes with these. So we've been asked to do 12 scale, so we do a few standalone ones, so this is one of them. Okay, so that fits in like that. So what I'm going to do is put a bit of tape over here, stretch it across, and then I know everything's been nice and square there. Okay, so I can put my feet on. So I'm going to pull that across like that. So I've got these front bits and the back bits, and I've also got a couple of side pieces as well. So I'm going to glue this across here and put that on the back. Oops. And then just make sure that's all nicely squared up. That's in place, and these pieces here are going to fit in like that. You can see that? So it fits in like that. So I'm just going to glue on the three sides. A bit of the glue here, and one back there, and there, and put that into position. So it's all nice and square. To keep it all nice and at right angles to each other. And this one back one. Okay, put this on like those. Whoops, it's too much. So once you put these together, you've got ideas of what you're going to do with your bookshelf. So what apparently is a thing is that you read a real life book, and you make a mini copy of it, and then you put it in your miniature bookcase. So I think that's what I should be doing in mine. So I've got glue on those sides there, and I've got glue on this bit here, and then that's it. Fold that across. Okay, and that's all nice and secure like that. So I'm going to put a bit of tape here just to keep that in place while it dries. So it's all nicely squared up. Okay, and then I'm going to decide what we're going to do at the back. So you can either have this one, so you can either have it at the back, or you can have it at the front, or you can have this one at the front or at the back. So I'm going to use this one this time. So this bookcase is just a 12th scale version of our mini bookcase for our our book dies. Sorry, our book dies. So we've got a mini version that fits perfectly for our book dies, but you can put our book dies in this one as well. So what I'm going to do now is leave that to set, and then come back to it in a little while. We're back, and I'm going to take the tape off my bookcase, so we can see that everything's stuck down nicely, and you've got a bookcase ready to decorate as you wish. So you can either make it a modern one, an old-fashioned one. It's entirely up to you. Okay, so that is our bookcase complete. It comes with a little stand, so you've got to make a little scene, so you can put it on a stand. It also comes with some of these, so you just push these out. I've done one or two already. So you just push these out with your thumbs, like that. Okay, and these are your fake books, and they will fit on your shelves. Oops, like that. Okay, so you've got paperback ones, and you've got the bigger books there as well. Okay, and these are done to 12 scale. Okay, thank you for watching.